You can play dozens of songs with only 4 chords. You want to see how? Hi, I am Miss Emily with EB in Music, and I'm a music teacher and a mom, and I help parents introduce music to their kids in a fun and joyful way. I try to even help parents enjoy music too, and this video might be one for both the parents and the kids. Today, we're going to learn a 4-chord progression called the Doo-Wop Chord progression. You'll hear these 4-chord progressions in a lot of different songs, not just doo-wop songs, but that's where it's really common. So, if you're ready, come with me to the piano and I'm going to show you how to play doo-wop. First of all, really quickly, all a chord progression is just a progression of chords. It's just a certain order of chords that repeat themselves in a song. In the key of C, the doo-wop chords are C, A minor, F, and G. If the song is not in the C scale, it still follows this interval pattern, but it won't be C, A, F, and G. It might be G, E minor, C, D. But that's a lesson for another day. We're gonna keep it simple in the key of C today. Okay, we're gonna start with our left hand today, and we're gonna start with our C. Find your 2 black keys. This is the dog house. This is the dog in the dog house, and this is his friend Catsby the cat here right outside the dog house. And here's C. So we go C, skip down to A, skip down to F, step up to G. Then go back. That's your chord progression. In the right hand, we're going to simplify it. We're going to do the bunny ear chords. Bunny ear chords are exactly as they sound. If you watched my happy birthday video last week, I taught you about bunny ear chords. It's just a 2-note chord, and we use our fingers like bunny ears. So here's our C, A, F, and G. Again. Now if we add the left hand, a bonus challenge with the right hand. If the bunny ear chords are getting pretty simple for you, the challenge is to add the 5th note at the top. Using these 3 fingers is probably easier to do. The thumb, the 2, and the 3 finger. The technical version is using your 1 finger, your 3, and your 5, but sometimes this 5 finger can be just a little bit weak because your arm weight, your forearm's not quite as strong yet. So we'll just use these 3 fingers. There's the C, A minor, F, C. Again, C, A minor, F, G. Adding the left hand. Play along with me if you can. If you can only do left hand right now, do that. If you can only do bunny ear chords, do that. If you want to do the 3-note chord, do that. If you're ready for both hands, do that. Whatever you want to do, follow along with me. 1, 2, ready, and again. Here's a fun left hand pattern. If you are ready for this, I recommend definitely playing this one with all 5 fingers. Put your thumb on the C right here, so your 5 finger is on the F. Those are basically walking notes. We walked down and then back up with a cool little rhythm here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a little bit of an advanced trick there, but if you would like to try it, go for it. And you can even try it with your right hand chords here with the 3. That's a little bit of an advanced scale, but I wanted to add that in there in case you're ready for it. Okay, so for fun, here are a few songs that use the doo-wop chord progression. These songs are not necessarily in the key of C, so if you try to play along with the song, you'll notice that it sounds kind of off, and that's because the key signature is different. So they're not in the key of C, but if you just want to sing them for fun yourself, you can do this. Okay, so the first song, Uptown Girl by Billy Joel. Uptown girl, she's been living in her white bread world as long as anyone with hot blood can, and now she's looking for a downtown man. That's what I am. How about Call Me Maybe by Carly Rae Jepsen? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. I don't know the words to this one very well, but it's Every Breath You Take by The Police. Every breath you take, every smile you make, that's not right. Every vow you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. That was not the right words, but chord progression's right. The song's in a much higher key than C, but it's Brave by Sarah Bareilles. So, say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. Say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. You get the idea. This one might actually be in the right key. Lady Gaga's Million Reasons. You're giving me a million reasons to quit the show. You're giving me a million reasons to don't know the words. Giving me a million reasons, giving me a million reasons, about a million reasons. And those are just a handful of examples of the dozens of songs that use this chord progression. It's really cool. Are there any other songs that you notice might use this chord progression? Let me know in the comments. And did you try one? Let me know that too. Now, if you enjoyed those chords, my book, My First Piano Sheet Music, this is for the younger beginners. This only has the melody, but sometimes for us older people, we can do the melody very easily, but it's a good challenge to try to figure out a chord progression underneath it. So, if you want a little challenge, go grab this book for you, or you can grab it for your kids as well. Go grab this one and the other two books, the green book and the red book, at my site, ebnmusic.com/books. And follow me on all of my social medias. I'm EBN Music everywhere. Instagram is ebn.music. And I hope you had fun playing those doo-wop chord progressions. Let me know how it went, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.